In this session, we'll be focused on creating custom windows like this one here and download doors and windows where we can. So let's go ahead and create the custom window first. For example, there's no way we can download a window that's going to be this shape, so we're going to create a glass pane to fill into the space. To do so, I'm going to take the line tool, and on the outside of the component where I'm at right now, I'm press L for line. I will go ahead and trace the perimeter of the window frame. So that's going to be step one. So I'm just going to go to the corner endpoint for each of these corner. And now I should have a surface. And once you have a surface, I'm going to go to material and find the search engine and find glass. So glass is here that. You want to make sure you choose one that has two colors, which indicate that it's transparent, translucent, or see-through. So I'm going to use this blue color and just go and paint that in. There you go. So that's a custom window. Now let's go ahead and figure out how we can actually put in windows for something that's like this, where it's easy to find a little rectangular component. The fourth icon is going to be the component. And the component icon is this one here. You click on that, there's something called home and there's something called search. The home is basically all the component that you have already downloaded or created. And then the second one is going to be search. And we'll be searching something called the 3D warehouse where people have uploaded models of what they created for you to download. So I'm going to type in window in this case and find a window that you like. And there, right here, there's like tons and tons of pages of different kinds of window for you to click through. So just browse through which one you like. I'm just gonna click on a few for you to see. Find one you like. I'm gonna click on this black one here. I'm gonna bring it down to this section here. First thing first, this particular window will most likely be smaller than our window opening because our window opening is really large. So what we're going to do first is we want to rotate this window so it can face the other direction so it can plug it into the wall on this wall here. To do so, we use the move tool. So selection tool to select the object, M is for move, and you're gonna move over to this little red dot on top. Make sure it's the one on top of the window like that. And a little compass will appear. You click once, let go of the mouse like what I've done, and I can rotate by moving my mouse now. And the degree is what you want on the bottom right hand corner right here. And the degree you want is 0, 90, 180. And it's the one we want now is 90. That's how you know it's perfectly in the right direction. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the move tool now to move this object from a corner I want to move from to move where and move it to where I want to move it to. So I want to move it to this little corner. Therefore, we're going to move at the bottom right hand corner. Click once, let go. And we're going to go ahead and click and drag it over to that window frame. So let me go ahead and find that window frame, which is that corner right there. Cool. So now that it's in the right location, we're going to go ahead and scale this vertically and horizontally to allow us to make sure it fits into that cutout that we have created. So I'm going to press S for scale. And the one you want to grab is the middle one. So the middle top is where you want this one right here. Click once, let go, and just point at this line and it will stretch perfectly to that line. I'm gonna do the same thing on the side. Grab the middle side, click once, let go, and drag it to the side line right here. So now you have a window frame that fits perfectly into the cutout. Let's make a copy of this window. To make a copy, you will press selection tool to select the window. Notice how it's blue selected. M for move. And then what you're going to do is press the option key on the keyboard and a plus sign will appear, just like that. Now you can actually grab from the corner, click, let go, and drag it to the next corner. I'll do that one more time. M for move. Option, will a little plus sign will appear. And then click once and move it over to the allocated area where you want it to be. Okay, let me just go ahead and do this one more time and do this window on this side right here. Let me do a door, in fact. Let me go do a sliding door for this whole area. So I'm gonna type in sliding door. And here are some options for me to choose from. Oh, I like this one here. I'm gonna go ahead and just download this one. And let's first thing first is figure out what direction I want to rotate it, meaning where's the front? We don't know where the front is at. Is it this side or is it the other side? And I think this one, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to use the move tool now and grab a little red dot on top and rotate it 0, 90, 180. Make sure you look at the bottom right hand corner to see what degree it is. It should be 0 in this case. And there you go. That's how you know it's perfectly fit. And this is going to be smaller than the frame, which is perfect. I'm going to move it in, grab it from the corner angle, and drag it to the corner. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to press S for scale. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to the middle top and drag it to the top And then do the same thing to the side. Grab from the middle side and drag it all the way to the side, to the line. It just snapped. There we go. So now I have myself a custom sliding glass door that's on the bottom and also some windows on the side. Your goal now for this particular assignment is to put in all the windows and create all the custom glass for custom windows that you have.